Crafting with recycled bottles directly impact your mental health. When your hands are busy creating, your mind is relaxed. This helps reduce anxiety, increase positivity, and sharpen focus. Every time you complete a craft, no matter how small, you feel a sense of achievement. That achievement builds confidence, and confidence builds a healthy mindset. Families who craft together also grow stronger bonds. Children who learn recycling crafts develop creativity, responsibility, and love for nature. And adults who practice bottle art often find themselves calmer, happier, and more mindful in daily life. So, the next time you feel stressed, instead of scrolling endlessly on your phone, pick up an empty bottle, some paint, some jute, and let your creativity flow. Now, let's move to an exciting part, turning bottle recycling into business. Handmade, eco friendly products are in demand. People today want sustainable, unique, and handmade crafts. Whether it's home decor, office desk organizer, garden planters, or festival ornaments, bottle crafts sell beautifully. You can start small, sell to friends, family, or at local craft fair, then expand to online platforms like Instagram, Facebook, or Etsy. The best part, the raw material, empty bottles cost nothing. What you add is creativity, effort, and design. With time, you can build a brand, one that stands for sustainability, beauty, and positivity. Customers love buying products that are eco-friendly or and homemade, especially when they carry a story. And what better story than turning waste into art? So, my friend, bottle recycling is more than a hobby. It's a lifestyle. It's about designing crafts that brighten your home, nurturing a healthy mindset that strengthens your heart, and growing a business that supports your dreams. The next time you finish a drink, don't throw the bottle away. Instead, look at it as a blank canvas waiting for your creativity. Who knows? The title piece of recycling may bring your peace, happiness, and even financial freedom. Remember, from bottle to beauty, from waste to wealth, from recycling to rebirth, the journey begins with you. Thank you for listening, and may your life be filled with creativity, positivity, and endless inspiration. So, my friends, bottle recycling, remember this. Remember this thing. Bottle recycling is more than a hobby, it's a lifestyle. It's about designing crafts and that brighten your home, nurturing a healthy mindset, and help to support your financial growth. Brighten your home, nurturing a mindset that strengthens your heart, and growing a business that supports your dreams. So the next time you finish a drink, don't throw the bottle away. Instead, look at it at a blank canvas, blank paper, blank bottle, waiting for your creativity. Who knows what will you make? The little piece of recycling may bring you peace, happiness for creativity, and financial freedom also. Think about it. Remember one thing, from bottles to beauty, from waste to wealth, from recycling to rebirth, from blank to a beautiful art. The journey begins with you. Thank you for listening us. Thank you for joining us. I hope wherever you are watching this, you will be happy all time, and may your life be filled with creativity, positivity, happiness, and endless inspiration. Keep shining like a star. Thank you for joining us. Have a very nice and beautiful journey. God bless you all. Take care of yourself and your family members. Share this video with your friends and family.